Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best PS5 accessories on the market. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Do check it out! Although there are several third-party options, the best PlayStation 5 controller is still the standard DualSense Wireless Controller. It's the most ergonomically friendly and best-looking PlayStation controller ever built. It includes a host of exciting new peculiarities, including dual-actuator haptic feedback, adaptive triggers for throttle and fine-tuned force control in-game, and a dedicated streaming key. There is a built-in microphone and headphone slot to go with a given mute button, allowing you to take complete control of your communications in and out of the game. The gamepad speaker adds a little more 3D sound effect to your gaming experience when not employing headphones. Battery life was massively increased over the PS4 DualShock controller, usually lasting around 13 hours per charge. Even when you're running low on charge, you can fill it instantly using the universal USB-C connection. With a handy design, dual analog sticks, a D-pad, and sensitive buttons, you're able to take on fast-action games and embark on extensive adventures. An enhancement to the 2-point capacitive touchpad, the DualSense highlights a 6-axis motion sensing system that enables you to control supported games by moving the controller in different regions. Sony has assured that in the future, the PS5's internal storage will be upgradable with a secondary high-speed NVMe drive, but that's not a trait that you can take benefit of just yet. You can't play PS5 games on external drives either, but you can play PS4 games whether they're shifted from your PS4 or downloaded straightly. That's why the Samsung T7 is one of the best gadgets for the PS5. It gives an extra 1TB of storage space and is remarkably fast, allowing you to load PlayStation 4 games faster than they would have on the original console's internal hard drive. Approximately the size of a few piled credit cards, the T7 is provided with 256-bit AES encryption and password protection, so users can rest guaranteed knowing their data is safe. Furthermore, with PCIe NVMe technology, the T7 gives users quick performance and little downtime with reading and write speeds of up to 1050 megabits per second and 1000 megabits per second respectively. With a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, it's also backward, agreeable with USB 3.0 and Type-A devices with a suitable cable. The T7 comes equipped with embedded management software, which assists you in setting up a password and gets firmware updates. If 1TB of external storage isn't sufficient for you, you can purchase bigger SSDs, but they get very costly. External hard drives, on the other hand, are comparably cheap. The WD Black P10 comes in sizes up to 12TB, but gives plenty of space at a great price. It's pretty quick for a hard drive too, so if you play PS4 games from it, you won't have too long to wait for them to load. It's also one of the most charming and understated external hard drives you can get, helping it blend in with your other PS5 gadgets and furniture. Highlighting a compact and easily portable design, this external hard drive gives 2TB of storage capacity, so you can always have your games on hand. It comes with a micro USB Type-B cable to USB Type-A cable and is cooperative with multiple platforms, including PlayStation, Xbox One, Windows PCs, and Macs. Choosing the right gaming headset can have a transformative action on your favorite pastime. Whether you're having difficulty in picking out enemy footsteps or need to feel more engaged when riding through the open plains in Red Dead Redemption 2, these cans of SteelSeries should do the trick. The SteelSeries Arctis 7P wireless headset comes complete with a retractable microphone, and they've been created especially with the PS5 in mind. What's more, the headset is also backward compatible with the PS4 and can be utilized with multiple platforms such as Android, PC, and Switch, making it pretty handy. SteelSeries headsets have a great track record for crisp and clear sound quality, which makes the Arctis 7P a great choice to pair with your PS5. The blue, white, and black aesthetic will go beautifully with your PS5 too. SteelSeries claims the headset can last up to 24 hours on an individual charge, and in our test, we found the headset lasted 27 hours and 19 minutes at a consistent output of -75 decibels. If you're in the habit of hearing things at a quieter volume, it should fare even better. It seems a little lean right now, but the SteelSeries Arctis 7P still gives solid fundamentals and a great platform to one day experience the PlayStation 5's audio bells and whistles. Logitech G920 Driving Force is considered one of the top racing wheels available today. It operates with the PS5, PS4, and PCs, has dual motor tactile feedback, and is finished in high-end elements such as stainless steel and hand-stitched leather. The G29 highlights a 10.24-inch racing wheel covered with hand-stitched leather. The wheel turns up to 900 degrees and stars dual motor force feedback for a realistic driving experience. An extension to the wheel, the G29 also comes with a 3-pedal set. The throttle, brake, and clutch pedals allow you to accelerate, brake, and change gears with the feeling of an actual car. The non-linear brake pedal simulates a pressure-sensitive brake system for a more responsive, precise braking feel. There are also rubber feet for hard surfaces and a patented retractable grip system for carpets.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.